Yeah, I get if you like McDonald's for some reason, chicken nuggets and fries, you know. Let's go to McDonald's.
Yeah, I wonder who that is.
Welcome to McDonald's. How can I help you? Yeah, give me number. I wanted to throw in some Pepsi and some Coke, you know, chicken nuggets, make fries, and extra cheese, and some ranch dressing with some large soda. No. Yeah, give me the apple pie, McCrispy.
I want cheeseburger.
Here you go. Would you like to leave a tip?
No.
Splendid. Enjoy your day.
Have a horrible evening.
You as well. Hey, watch out for the lane.